After completing our first season, I realized that moving forward, some things were gonna have to change. First, I needed to find a new head of A&R since Courtney was not gonna be able to stay on for another season. That's when I turned to Dani Cutler from KWSS FM radio. I knew right away she'd be a perfect fit. With Dani on board, I turned to my next challenge. If there was gonna be a second season, I was gonna need some help. So I invited Erin Riley to join our team as our music supervisor. Her award-winning career in radio provided the perfect skill set to take some of the creative work off my plate.
Well, thank you so much for asking me to be a part of your wonderful show, Otto. It's a really great show you have, and I'm excited to be a part of it.
Thanks for accepting my invitation.
Well, Otto, I have listened to so many amazing bands that have been submitted to the recording artist. In fact, I have a lot more to listen to, but my first three that I want to suggest to you to record are Scattered Melodies. Kind of jazzy, little saxophone, nice female singer, a little a la Amy Winehouse. Second pick, the Gaines Brothers. Very traditional R&B soul sounding until they're not, until they surprise you. Their songs are just terrific. You're gonna love them. And my third choice is Nineball. They're a little like Journey meets 80s Genesis, Phil Collins' Genesis. Very polished and powerful, really fine male singer with a really good ability to communicate emotion. And I think you're going to really enjoy working with them as well.
Awesome. Well, thanks for that, Erin. I look forward to jumping in the studio and cutting these records.
Thanks, Otto.
Season 2, it's here already. We have another big announcement. We have a brand new head of A&R at therecordingartist.com. I'd like to introduce her first, and that's Dani Cutler. Dani, how are you doing?
Great. Good evening, Otto and everybody.
It's good to see you.
Hi, Dani. Hi, lovely.
You guys, my Scattered Melodies fans.
Now, you know these guys, right?
Probably about 5 years now, 5 or 6 or more. I don't know.
Because in introducing you as our head of A&R, which we're thrilled to have you on board, thank you for coming on board. You are also at KWSS Radio as a morning DJ and co-manager. Is that an official title, or?
Yes, I'm co-program director. I host the morning show and a retro 80s lunch hour.
And so it gives you a unique perspective of some of our local bands because you've met a lot of these guys already.
Well, thank you, Otto.
All right, well, I say we kick this thing off again and get started with our new session.
Good luck, guys.
While they do that, tell us, what song have the A&R members decided these guys are going to track tonight?
The song selected by our A&R members for tonight's recording session is, drumroll please, Vibe Check.
Oh! Vibe Check. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know that one.
Yeah, cool. Well, thank you, Dani.
You are welcome. Have fun, you guys. I'll be watching.
Bye, Dani.
All right, take care. So let's just have everybody play a little, see what we got happening.
Drop me in there, he be chucking his mic.
Yeah.
He be chucking his mic. He's like, hey, yo, can you hear this mic?
Don't tell me. Is this the jazzy?
So now talk.
Hello, welcome. We are Scattered Melodies out of Tempe, Arizona.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, baby, I'm working most every day. Yeah, you know I work real hard now. It's time for me to play. My day has finally come. I'm soaking in the sun.
I do some singing and Scattered Melodies and a little bit of percussion or guitar, depending on the song.
You gotta bring the freshness. Everybody's getting restless.
Hi, my name is Josh. I play drums in Scattered Melodies. I'm a founding member as well with my brother Jake. We're here to jam and make some music, and we're feeling good.
Oh, don't hate me, 'cause I played.
My name is Phelan Parker. I also go by DJ P Funk. I am the sax player for Scattered Melodies and DJ extraordinaire.
My name's Jake. I am here for comic relief. Just kidding. No, my name's Jake Johnston. I play bass.
I'm Killer Mouse. I play keys and sing. And really just try to shake the butt as much as possible. Hair flying, shake booty, distract casting.
The hardest question I've ever been asked in my life is what genre is our music, which I appreciate.
We just want to make good music, we want to have fun, and that's what it comes down to.
Fun and funky, for sure.
You know what? I really would like to hear you guys try this a bit slower.
Okay.
It might not work because it's funky the way it is, and I love it.
So let's say if the tempo we just did is 110, for example, how much slower would you envision?
Yeah, I'm not
Just like a
thinking.
couple-
Yeah, I'm not thinking 1/0 or anything.
Oh, 90s. I'm talking 90s.
Yeah. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow it down. Slow it down. There you go. I just want to hear it here.
Oh, baby, I'm working.
Now you don't have to do the new lick, okay? But like, Josh, play harder. Don't not faster, harder.
Oh, baby, I'm working. All every day. Baby, no, I work real hard. Now it's time for me to play. And then it's finally done. I'm soaking in the sun. I know it, but I need to have some fun. Hey, yeah, this way.
All right. I like that.
I don't hate it. I'm down to do something different, too.
I think while we go that slow, we should do that swingy thing, Josh.
You want to try that?
Well,
Yeah,
I
I'd
like
rather
you.
try that than that slow.
That's
Try
not
the
slow.
swing thing real quick.
Debbie and Dan like the slow one.
Oh, baby, I'm working. Oh, baby, I'm working.
No, stop. No, I don't like that.
Vibe check.
Yeah, I don't like that. You know what? I'd like to do? Here's what I'd like to do. Let's go into that at the end.
Ooh.
Which one? Swing
That groove you were just doing, yeah. Swing. Let's go into that at the end. Let's just try that.
Goodbye, baby. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, baby, I'm working most every day. And yeah, you know I work real hard. And now it's time for me to play. And my day is finally come.
We're getting close on time. We're down to 45 minutes. Oh my God.
Hey yo, hey yo.
The time is like NASA.
It really is. All right, so let's talk sax. Are we ready to play guitar or not? If you're ready, we can go now. If not, we gotta wait.
Ready.
2 seconds, please. Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna put you on the left speaker with the other guitar on the right. You good?
Yep.
Here we go, guys. We have so much to do. I love it. Phelan, you good, man? Come on in. All right, so we have about half hour. I really want to spend 10 or 15 minutes on the lead vocal.
If we could do vocals at the same time,
Right.
even like, and
Yeah.
that way we could work it out together a little bit too, because I'm imagining some harmonies. And I'd say set me up for it. Set me up for it.
Yeah, let's do vocals the rest of the way out.
Nice.
Oh, baby, I'm working most every day. Yeah, you know I work real hard, and now it's time for me to play. Oh, my day has finally come. I'm soaking in the sun. I'm doing what I need to have some fun. Hey, hey, hey. Don't hate me. Well, I paid. I'm shining. The shade. I'm vibing today. Don't hate me. I was made this. Got the vibe shade. Vibe shade. Got the vibe shade. Got the vibe shade. Got it. Got the vibe shade.
Yeah, even that, I like that.
He likes it.
He likes it, guys. I love it.
You got the vibe shade. Not really. You got the vibe shade. Not really. You need the vibe shade. Don't tell me I need the vibe shade. Don't tell me you need a vibe shade. Don't tell me I need a vibe shade. Don't tell me you need a vibe shade. I need a vibe shade. Don't tell me I need a vibe shade. Don't tell me I need a vibe shade. Don't tell me I need a vibe shade. I need a vibe
Play back a piece of it. We're done.
I just want everyone to know that I got a notification on my watch that a vicious peacock has escaped the zoo.
What? Really? Oh, pistol whip that peacock. Man, hey.
So everyone just be a little careful when you're going home tonight.
Brother,
There's a vicious
get down
peacock
there.
out there.
I ain't playing.
Hey, we're doing something a little different tonight. Dani is on vacation in Hawaii, so she's not going to come on the show and tell us what song we're going to be doing. But she doesn't need to, because to get these guys on the show, we cut a deal to do a particular song that they wanted to work on. So we have the Gaines brothers with us tonight. I'm going to kick their mics open so you can hear them. Let you meet the leader of the band, Mr. Will Gaines. How you doing, Will?
I'm good. Hello, hello, hello.
Glad to have you here, man. It's going to be fun.
It's good to be here.
And what's the name of this tune?
The name of this tune is Friction.
Awesome.
My brother and I started playing piano at the same time, and you could tell he was gonna be special. And I was like, I don't wanna put myself through any unnecessary stress, so I picked another instrument. I went from piano to trumpet, and then I landed at bass at 13.
I think it chose me. I definitely chose to do it, but that was the only thing around. I mean, we grew up pretty poor, so there was nothing else to do. It was one little opportunities, and music just kept us out of trouble, you know?
We used to pick up flutes and like VO violins and trumpet. We just had the environment growing up. It wasn't something that we consciously said we were gonna do. It was like a part of our lives. That was definitely a better take.
Yeah, that felt good.
Yeah.
I think we can hang out of that.
Yeah.
So why don't you guys come on in, let's listen down.
Bet.
Anybody have parts they want to do over, or is you solid with the tape?
I think that was a good one that time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's just that one
little guitar. Let's go move that guitar real quick. Right here, you just want to slide this over a moment. Do you want to go for a vocal track now so we can build around it?
So yeah.
Do you want to lose the vocal cues and lose the click track?
Yeah, I don't need that.
Anymore, just to the band.
Yeah, I'm good to go.
Yeah, I like that way too.
I'm blinded through this bitterness, so torn. I'm trying to find my way. Oh yeah, there's no controlling me. There's no controlling you. This weather through the storm. And why must I wonder? So why we gotta go through all this friction, babe? I didn't mean to put you from the sight. If I could have a second chance at anything, I hope my second chance comes tonight. As the moon through the night, may the sun bring light. I will be yours, babe. She's damaged to the core. This love runs out your pores. Your body I've explored, and baby, I want more. Why we can't put it on the table? Okay, well alright, you can see the light. I can give you everything, baby, put it in your life. Playing your positions, giving me the eye. If I can watch myself, I might not make it through the night.
That was nice.
I think that was it.
Yeah, that sounded good.
Sick. My brother and I were talking maybe melody and then maybe a dub that's an octave higher.
Hope a second chance comes tonight. As the moon through the night, may the sun bring a light. I will be yours, baby.
That's really good.
Yeah, that was on the butter right there.
So it was the first rodeo, baby.
Yeah.
So we done put some time into this motherfucker. And you were like, is he gonna be able to match that shit?
He's not gonna remember that. Because that's not really how you did it when you roughed through it. You just kind of put it on the beat, you know?
Right.
Yeah, it sounded lovely. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you, Otto. I appreciate that.
Are we ready to move to a harmony part then?
Let's try octave higher and let's see how I struggle through that real quick. But it will be more for effects than like an actual part.
Okay.
Just like to fill it out.
Okay.
It'll be fine.
Let's do it.
fine.
Yeah, let's do it. Here we go.
Yeah.
Might not make it through the night. And why we gotta go through all this friction, babe? I didn't mean to push you from the side. If I could have a second chance at anything, I hope my second chance comes tonight.
I don't think we need to do a bunch of those. I think that's going to be good. Let's pull it down and listen to it.
And just
if I can watch myself, I might not make it through the night. And why we gotta go through all this friction, babe? I didn't mean to push you from the side. If I could have a second chance at anything, I hope my second chance comes.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, that's fine. That's perfect. I probably can't sing that ever again in my life.
So it's like 41 minutes to finish the tune. Good job, man. Good job. Well, love it. Thank you. Very cool. Shit.
As the moon through the night, may the sun bring a light. I will be yours, baby.
For me, I think the tone of the keyboard patch takes up a lot of room and really matches the other one. I think it'd be cooler to try something thinner, like maybe even more of a flute.
I don't want to put a flute sound in. Is there a way you can thin it out with EQ?
Yeah. Is there another sound option?
I could do it like a piano sound with that. I was thinking, but like an octave, like.
Yeah. Try that. Try that.
And why we gotta go through all this friction, babe? I didn't mean to push you from the side. Push you from the side. If I can have a second chance at anything, I hope my second chance comes tonight. As the moon through the night, may the sun bring a light. I will be yours, baby.
I know it's hard as fuck to recut drums, but specifically for that last part, we wanted the clap and clap, 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 Because I did the voo, voo, voo. I did the slides like you were gonna do the clap and clap.
Right. I can do that.
Yeah. Get up here and play air drums for him. Oh, show him where you want him to go.
Baby, as the moon through the night, may the sun bring a light. I will be yours, baby.
13 minutes left. All wrapped up. Congratulations. No, I don't think we need anything.
No.
I think it sounds great.
Okay.
A lot of cool stuff. Good work. Really good work.
Can we listen to the whole fucking?
We're gonna play it from the top, just while you guys are dancing around. Thank you all for being here. Really appreciate you, Erin out in Philly and Kelly here in town. Thank you for being online. Bootsy, there he is from New York. Just thank you guys. He's always on at the end, man. He's always on at the end. Thanks for being here, Bootsy. So here you go, playback from the top. Friction by the Gaines Brothers and Friends. There you go.
this bitterness so torn. I'm trying to find my way. Oh yeah. There's no controlling me. There's no controlling you. This weather through the storm. And why must I wonder? And why we gotta go through all this friction, babe? I didn't mean to push you from the side. If I could have a second chance at anything, I hope my second chance comes tonight.
Erin, got a problem with the Nineball session. Marty Lucas called and he's gonna have to go into the hospital. He's gonna have a heart procedure done tomorrow. He says it's no big deal, he'll be fine, but obviously not prepared to do the session the next day. So I'll keep you posted when I know more, but in the meantime, I'm gonna find a sub. So give me a call. I'll talk to you right here. Welcome to the recordingartist.com. Tonight we're going to be cutting Nathan Dean and the Damn Band. And before we introduce them to you, I'd like to bring our head of A&R on the show, Dani Cutler. Dani, how are you doing?
I'm good. Hi, Otto.
So here they are, Nathan Dean and the Damn Band.
Hey, Dan, Dani.
Hi, guys.
And what song have the A&R members decided these guys are going to record tonight?
Well, the members voted and they decided that tonight's song is going to be Son of a Gun.
Right on.
Son of a Gun.
Nice.
Right. Cool.
It's just a chucker told me all there is to know. By burning up the highway and breaking up some happy homes. Said son, go on and leave some track. Don't you turn your head, but you ever look back. Put your pedal to the middle of the knee just like a smoking gun. Don't you know I'm son of a gun? Loaded up with trouble, that's just what we're made of. Wanna do wrong, we're trying to do right. Better not catch you in my sights. I'm a son of a gun, yeah. Well, your mama always said that your daddy wasn't no good. He been teaching you things only the devil would. He's been living on the edge, ain't so long. It ain't no wonder you're so far gone. I said, mama, guess the apple don't fall from the tree. Don't you know I'm son of a gun? Loaded up with trouble, that's just what I'm made of. Wanna do wrong, but trying to do right. Better not catch you in my sights, cause I'm a son of a gun, yeah.
Cool. There's a bit of that was really, really just dead on rocking. Okay, then just a few spots we got to double check. And the end, it didn't seem to really come down together. So what happens there? Is there a retard or no?
No, I started to go like that, so I was kind of.
I was down. I'm like, okay, this is. You threw your stuff.
That's Otto's fault.
I like to be responsible for something, even if it is the only screw up we make all night long. I'll take it. All right, here we go.
All right. I'm Nathan Dean, and Nathan Dean and the Damn Band is my band. We have 4 records out currently, spanning from the first album that was cut in 2006, She Don't Know. Just recently, we put out Citizen of the Universe.
Put your pedal to the middle and leave just like a smoking gun. Don't you know I'm son of a gun?
My name's Cody Rain. I play guitar in Nathan Dean and the Damn Band.
This is my first time in a studio, period. The only recording I've ever done is putting my phone on my kitchen table and hitting record while I bang chords on my acoustic guitar. That's it. So.
I've been playing drums for Nathan Dean for 14 years. When he started on the road, I was his first road drummer. One of the coolest things that ever happened on the road was the night John Mayer got on stage with us in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, played our entire last set with us.
We saw him from the stage just listening, and we had one more set to play, and on the break, Bill went up and said, "Hey, you want to come up and jam?"
Crossroads from 2007 had just come out or whatever it was, and we've been watching that, and he played Gravity on that, and I'm like, dude, we play Gravity, you want to get up with us? He's like, no, I want to play your stuff. You guys make music exciting. I still get chills telling that story. Like, it's my favorite story from the road by far.
Yes, the apple don't fall from the tree. Don't you know I'm so
To make this show, I bring a new band into my studio every week to cut a record. And I webcast the whole process live online.
You only have 2 hours to do a song. You guys pick the viewers. I actually kind of like that.
It's cool, like, interacting with everybody watching.
With a basic membership, you can watch all of our live sessions as they happen and stream all of the songs once they're finished. But if you want to do more than just watch, join our A&R department. You'll become part of an elite group that makes decisions on who and what we record. Then you can interact with the band during the live event. No matter how you choose to be involved, you're gonna love being a part of therecordingartist.com. Enjoy the free videos and subscribe if you want to help run the show.
Don't you know I'm so
Cool. Very, very cool. Before we play it back, let's get the ending. Either repeat that phrase or retard this one a little bit. So, a big thing. I'm cool with that. That's a nice setup. So let's rehearse that. Sing along last time through. Cue off the guitar.
Yeah, that works for me.
2, 1, 2, 3.
Don't you know I'm so hard of
I think that's gonna work. Let's do it again.
Hey, Nathan.
Yes, sir.
Kay says your lyrics are clever.
And then Deb is out in Philly. And then we've got Jody Marshall.
Hi, Jody. By the way, Deb, go Eagles if you're in Philly. Go Birds.
There you go.
We got an hour and 26 minutes to finish a record.
Yeah, so same cue. Here we go.
Trying to do right, better not get you in my sights, 'cause I'm so hard of gun. Don't you know I'm so
Yeah, that's the way to go. That's the way to do it. Now, I think we can keep this take. We've got an hour. Let's move to guitar solos.
What do you want me to do?
I just want to do the guitar solos.
I already did them.
Well, I want you to do them again.
I mean, they're going to be completely different.
I know, they're different every time. Because I've got what you did, and so now we're just going for alternate options here. So let's just drop it in there and just go for it. I just want to hear you go nuts. I really loved it, so let's do another pass. I've got it on there, let's do another pass. Here we go. Let's do one more. Do some chicken picking. Bark around. Make some weird noises. Just be stupid for a second. You didn't like the next bit?
I don't like being told that I have to keep bringing more stuff. That
You're not being told, you're being invited. Every time you play, it's different.
Everyone every night.
I'm just loving everything you're doing. I'm trying to see where else you'll go when I have you throw another one down. You usually sit when you play shows, or do you stand when you play shows?
He stands.
Well, then stand up and play solo. You don't sit down and play solo. There you go.
That's how I know how to play guitar.
Here we go. Last one, and we're going to move on to vocals. What'd you miss? Something at the end? Do you want to drop it in right at the end, you mean? Awesome, man. I think those are both great. I love them. Love them. Thank you, Cody.
Thank you.
We got almost an hour. This is going really well. So let's start at the top. Let's take one pass through. Okay. All right. Sometimes, you know, listen, this process, as much as we have fun and kind of goof off sometimes, it's a fragile process. When you are trying to be authentic and honest about what you're doing, then that does mean that you're bearing your soul. And it's like, no, this is my heart and soul. Can I have a moment?
I'd like to try something during when we're doing this. I've never recorded vocals with a guitar in my hand, but we play so many live shows. I'm not gonna.
You can wear it.
I'm not gonna even hit the string.
Put it on.
One. Like,
Put it on. Here we go.
Yeah, this is a trucker who told me all there is to know about burning up the highway and breaking up some happy homes. He says, son, go on and lay some track. Don't you turn your head, don't you ever look back to how the son of gun. And don't you know I'm son of gun.
Cool. Man, that sounds great. The pitch is great, timing's great. There was just one line in the second verse that it hit me weird in the demo, and it still hits me weird here, and I want to know if we can change the way we're phrasing it. Let me show you the line.
Mama, guess the apple don't fall from the tree.
Guess the apple don't fall far from the tree.
Guess the apple don't fall from the tree. Guess the apple don't fall from the tree.
Guess the apple don't fall far from the tree. So you want to get off of don't and get on to fall. Guess the apple don't fall far from the tree.
So the emphasis will be on far.
Yeah, but don't make don't long. Guess the apple don't fall. Guess the apple don't fall.
Guess the apple don't fall.
Yeah, try something like that for me. Just see how that's gonna lay in there.
They've been living on the edge of Saint so long. It ain't no wonder you're so far gone. I said, mama, guess the apple don't fall from the tree.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Play it.
It ain't no wonder you're so far gone. I said, mama, guess the apple don't fall from the tree.
Yeah, that's really cool. That's cool. And that was the only line that felt funny to me in the phrasing. So I think we're good with the lead vocal.
All right.
I'd like to move on to harmony vocals.
Loaded up with trouble, that's just what I'm made of. Gonna do wrong, but trying to do right. Better not catch you in my sights out.
did such a great job. I don't know how you do that, record an entire song in 2 hours. That's just really incredible. I loved them all. Great job. Scattered Melodies, that song Vibe Check, very cool. Sort of a sexy, breathy Amy Winehouse kind of singer. I thought she was terrific. The second one is the Gaines Brothers. Grab me from the get-go. They just pull you right in. I thought they were terrific. Really paying homage to the masters of those genres. Really like the Gaines Brothers a lot. The replacement band that you had to bring in, they were a nice little surprise. It's sort of like pub rock almost, you know? It reminded me of being in a bar, have a beer and just rock on out. So Nathan Dean and That Damn Band. And what a good name too, may I say, what a good name. So of the three, Erin's pick is the Gaines Brothers. Loved them.
May the sun bring a light. I will be yours, baby. Covered in these lies, you out here with your ass up. I'm in the game and they know it's me.